Hello, my friends. I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist. So, which is better, an energy-efficient fridge, a longer warranty, or a responsive maintenance team? All of them. That's why we're talking about save energy, save money. In a commercial kitchen, the most expensive piece of equipment will be your fridges. And many times this will be the one item where you try to buy as cheap as possible. Yes, you need to save as much money as possible to protect your cash flow, but what about running costs? What about having the right type of fridge for the operating temperatures of your kitchen? What about having the longest warranty period and having access to a responsive maintenance team? If your fridge isn't working correctly, you may not be meeting your health and safety standards, and that means your business has just been closed. Yesterday, I spoke with a business colleague about a business appliance which they had bought 12 months previously and using it in their business. They had bought it off the shelf from a large electrical superstore and they thought it was a good price. Now the item was broken because it had been used heavily in the business. So they tried to make a claim on the warranty. The repair team was booked and the earliest availability was 2 weeks from now. Domestic customers get priority. Then as soon as they mentioned the address, they were told that the repair were not allowed to operate on commercial premises. So now my business colleague had a broken appliance which the manufacturer was refusing to come to site to fix. And this was the 4th time they were speaking to customer support, waiting at the end of a long queue. So my question to you is, was the appliance bought at the best price? Sometimes buying cheap can be very expensive in the long run. If you want to talk more, email me at energyevangelist@energypricesaver.com. I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist. Come and find out how to save energy, save money at energyevangelist.co.uk. Bye.